Hello friends, welcome to our Rockstar Virat Power YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about Charles Lamb, English literature like chapter 9, Romantic Age. Then in this, Charles Lamb born February 10, 1775 in London, English, and he died in December 27, 1834, Edmonton, Middlesex. In the English essayist and critic, best known for essays of Ilya 1823 and 33. Now we will see some more important points regarding him. His notable works are like Essays of Ilya, Tales from Shakespeare, Last Essay of Ilya, Specimen of English dramatic poets who lived about the time of Shakespeare. The questions are asked from these notable works, like which works is produced from which writer, like here Tales from Shakespeare writer is like Charles Lamb, you have to identify. Charles Lamb is romantic essayist, and Charles Lamb had studied at Christ Hospital, where he formed a lifelong friendship with Samuel Taylor Coleridge, and however he left the school early and did not seek a university career. After leaving his school, Lamb sent to Hertfordshire, where he fell in love with Anne Simon. At that, he loves with Anne Simon. He wrote sonnets dedicated to her, which later appeared in Coleridge poem. That's why he was in love with Anne, and he writes various sonnets dedicating to her and his love. In 1792, Lamb obtained a position with the British East India Company as an accountant, but he continued to write epigraph plays, poetry, and essays, many printed in such as publications The Albion, The Morning, The Chronicle, and The Morning Post. In that, when he is working as a clerk at the East India House, the headquarters of the East India Company, remaining there until retirement in 1825. We had the question regarding that, like Lamb is connected with India in terms of East India House, and he was working as clerk in that, and the headquarters of East India Company in India, like remaining there until retirement in 1825. In 1796, Lamb's sister Mary in fit of madness, which was proved to recurrent, killed their mother. Lamb reacted with courage and loyalty, taking on himself the burden for looking after Mary. He take that responsibility of his sister Mary, who is medically or physically unfit. Lamb's first appearance in print were as a poet, with contribution to the collection of Coleridge and Charles Lloyd. A Tale of Rosamund Grey, a prose romance, appeared in 1798, and in 1802 he published John Woodville, a poetic tragedy. The Old Familiar Faces in 1789 remains his best known poem, although on an infant dying as soon as it was born 1828, his finest poetic achievement. Then what happened? See, in 1807, Lamb and his sister published Tales from Shakespeare, a retelling of the plays of children. In 1809, they published Mr. Leicester School, a collection of stories supposedly told by pupils of a school, Hertfordshire. In 1808, Charles published a children's version of the Odyssey called as The Adventure of Ulysses. Then, in 1808, Lamb also published a specimen of English dramatic poets who lived about the time of Shakespeare. In this, a selection of scenes from Elizabethan dramas, it had considered influence on the style of 19th century English verse. Then Lamb also contributed critical papers on Shakespeare and William Hogarth to the Hunt's Reflector. Lamb's criticism often appears in the form of marginalia, reaction and responses, brief comments, delicately phrases but hardly ever argued through. Lamb's greatest achievement were his remarkable letter and the essays that he wrote under the pseudonym Elia and the London Magazine, which was founded in 1820. The London Magazine founded in 1820. His style is highly personal and mannered, its function being to create, delineate the personal of Elia, and writing, though sometimes simple, is never plain. The essays conjure up with humor and sometimes with pathos old acquaintances. They also recall scenes from the childhood and from later life, and then indulge in the author's sense of playfulness and fancy. Then what happened? Beneath their whimsical surface, Lamb's essays are much an expression of romantic movement as the verse of Coleridge and William Wordsworth. Elia's love of urban and suburban subject matter, however, points ahead towards the work of Charles Dickens, the essay on the artificial comedy of last century 1822. Then what happened? Both helped to revise interest to the Restoration comedy and anticipated the assumption of aesthetic movement of the late 19th century. Lamb's first Elia essays were published separately in 1823. A second series appeared, the last essay of Elia, in 1833. Second series and the second series appeared with the last essay of Elia, and it is open in 1833. Notable family member is Mary Anne Lamb. You should remember that also, so that you can answer the questions regarding to its. Lamb's other works are his short story like A Tale of Rosamund Grey and Poor Blind Margaret, and his play John Vaudeville 1802, his anthology with critical notes Specimen of English Dramatic Poet who lived about the time of Shakespeare. He is a Specimens of English Dramatic Poet who lived about the time of Shakespeare, and his Ballad of Satan in Search of Wife 1831 and Last Essays of Elia in 1833. William Hazlitt in his Spirit of the Age remarked that Miss Lamb has succeeded. Who succeeded? Miss Lamb has succeeded not by conforming to the spirit of the age but in opposition to it. He does not march boldly along with the crowd but still of the pavement to pick up his way in the contrary direction. Lamb succumbed to an infection he contracted from a minor cut on his face after having fallen the street and died at Edmonton suburb and London in 1834, as I previously told. We had the question in previous year NET exam like essays of Elia are written by Charles Lamb. You have to identify the answer like Charles Lamb, and in 1823. Okay, he write the blank verse poetry and A Tale of Rosamund Grey and Old Blind Margaret, then John Vaudeville poetic drama, Tales from the Shakespeare, The Adventure of Ulysses, Specimens of England dramatic poets who lived about the time of Shakespeare in 1808, this type of points. Then on the tragedies of Shakespeare 1811, then Witches and Other Night Fears, then the Pawbroken Daughter, Essays of Elia, The Last Essays of Elia, in this way. So that in this video we have learned about Charles Lamb and his notable works and the questions asked from previous year net exam. In if you want to study about set net exam preparation, and if you want to like clear your English literature, you should subscribe our channel and press the notification button on so that you will get notified when I will upload next video. Till then, see you soon.